What's up, online shoppers? I ordered this really awesome little Aero pneumatic stapler because I have some upholstery to do. Now this one here is really well suited for household tasks like installing insulation, putting on house wrap, roofing, flooring, and even upholstery. It's a really versatile tool and it's going to be applicable to a lot of different tasks I'm going to ask it to do. So let's open up the box. You get an instruction manual, some little Allen keys for adjustments. So here is the stapler. It's got a really nice rubber grip right here, really nice and grippy. I'm not going to have any trouble keeping a good firm grip on the handle here. So it works on the basis that you're going to depress and staple. So you're going to depress and staple, depress and staple, depress and staple. So this is the release right here. So as soon as you squeeze that, it releases the back. You can add in your staples or your brad nails. So a couple things about this little Aero. First of all, it comes ready for action. You don't really have to do anything except for pull this little cap off the back here, hook it up to your compressor, and then you're ready to go. I love that the cap is attached with a strap, so you're never going to lose it. That way you can always store this and keep it in good shape. Weight-wise, this weighs 1.36 pounds, so it's definitely not a big stress or strain on my hand to be using this. It is definitely a nice sturdy piece. It's got steel construction and everything is really, really nicely put together. Nice paint job as well and a chrome finish on the bottom half. And now as far as safety goes, there's a couple cool things about this Aero pneumatic staple gun. First of all, it doesn't require oil for maintenance, which is a positive. And second of all, it has a double safety feature. In order for the staples to be released, you actually have to both depress this and squeeze the trigger. So if all you do is this and squeeze the trigger, no staples are going to be released. And if all you do is this, no staples are going to be released. You actually have to depress the contact and pull the trigger at the same time. With that being said, you can do rapid stapling because if this is depressed and you have the staple there, you can actually double or triple staple if you want to. The great thing about having the contact here is that it's going to prevent misfires, and nobody really wants to go digging out staples that weren't intended to go where you fired them. Now, as far as compatibility goes, this Aero pneumatic stapler is going to work on any of the compressors you have at home up to and including 100 psi. It is recommended that you only use the Aero T50 staples, and those come in 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 9/16 inch lengths. So you can definitely find a staple for the job that you have in mind. They do strongly recommend you use the Aero branded staples so that your machine can perform efficiently and as expected. If you are looking for a great pneumatic staple gun, this one here is the Aero pneumatic heavy duty staple gun. It can take on jobs that include everything from general house construction, like adding house wrap, insulation, roofing, all the way down to more finished applications like upholstery, and adapt accordingly. You have the option of using different sizes of staples to meet whatever your job is. Super comfortable, weighs under 2 pounds, nice easy grip. This is a pneumatic tool that never needs oiling, which is also a plus. It also comes with all the necessary fittings. So out of the box, the only thing you need past that are the staples for your job, and you are ready to go. As well, from the box, you can see it has an excellent warranty program. If you are looking for a great pneumatic stapler to add to your toolbox, this one here by Aero is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.